Hi everyone. Today in this video I'm going to share with you what my wig cap looks like since I tried that new method for making a wig cap. And if you haven't seen that one, I'll leave the link in the description box. I still have some more work to do. I have some bare spots that I will be filling in. Is that this to me was so easy. The wig cap held up very well. It never ripped on me. It has not even lost any shape to it whatsoever. I do want to share this with you because this is something that it took me a little while to figure out for myself. And again, this is just my way of viewing it because I'm not really a felter. When I first did it, I had this whole head of hair and I pulled all the hair out and I started to study. Let's talk about the crown in the back of the head. I always like has more volume in the crown part, unless you're doing a different hairstyle. Well, if you want that puffiness, I found that when you take your needle and you go straight in, your hair is going to lay in a direction to where it's going to give you that volume. Now, let's say on her sides, because I did want this, I didn't want her sides to have so much volume to it. I wanted it to be a little bit less fullness, but enough coverage. So I found that by taking my needle and going in this direction, like this, but not straight across her head. Like if I were to root on this side of the part, okay, I would take it in like this and then pull it out. The hair lay totally different and I didn't have all of that puffiness on top to where I had to kind of like really work it down. It lay different. And I also found that depending on your hairstyle, really think it out to where how you want that hair to lay. So let's say if we were going to have our hair pulled back, well, if you didn't want to have that volume so much in the front, then take it the same way that I showed you for the side. Whenever you don't want the volume, lay the needle down. Maybe that'll explain it better. If you want the volume, the needle goes up. That I saw a huge difference with that. Now I'm going to show you inside of her cap. Now her hair, it's not glued or anything, but I think that is pretty good. And then if I have any long pieces, then I just trim it up. And then the other thing that I do, and I've done this since I first started, is that to soften the hair, put a little bit of fabric softener and dilute it with water. I saturate the hair in that mixture, and then I just comb it, and then I will blow dry it. Then I go in and I felt the hair. After I get it felted, I make up another mixture and I coat it again. And it makes the hair so soft and shiny. It's great for curls too. I also want to share this with you because this about dropped me. Now, her hair isn't glued. If I were to pull on that hair, I would pull it out. But I'm going to show you how good that is. I'm not holding it. I'm just so pleased with it. See, she still needs to cut. I need to cut it. And I need to add more in with the bangs. Put that back on her one more time. Let you guys see it. She doesn't have her eyes in yet. She can't see. I have to see for her. I love it. Totally love it. Why didn't I do this how many years ago? I knew about the mold builder. Gorgeous. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And leave me a comment. I will always answer everyone. And I love hearing from you as well. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. It sure does inspire me to keep making these videos. Thank you, everyone.